man, if everybody I hear me.
Yes, killer. Everybody I hear you, killer.
Pick up. Yeah, me I say he's a police attack from Ghana.
Yeah.
Listen, me and listen to you. We have 7 man who pick up them in the place. Carry the identify certain them. So me want a man inbox me to come from down there and me want to go further with the information. But the roads.
Alright, follow me and inbox me.
As a police,
everything tonight.
Get to the bottom of it.
Yes.
Alright, me like that. Listen,
follow me. Uncle Sam, follow him. Hold on now. Follow me and inbox, but before we start take information for you still, you know, we have to find out say he's a fully cop still.
Yo, show up a picture, no, man.
No, show up no picture.
Listen, everything done a cool and span too. Listen, done a cool and pan to no make me
Hold on. Keep the ticket talk. Hold on.
Listen, when I say the man, you know, just a nice man. A nice coronalist. The devil said he's a police. And he make up an operation for not even 2 hours, 1 hour and a half. Police still in the air. We block intentions.
I chew with it.
Hold on, you spend the damn time. It's a kid up, man. I want to go. Shut up. Stop and let the man read that now.
Have some man, which as me telling you, an inbox alone, we can talk about them to get certain identification of them if we're not sure of them. So you see the person who's sure of the person who's involved, you don't need to get to me. If I want to sure say this person involved, and I identify all of who I have, and I identify who. Now we can't keep nobody there telling the street. I lock them out.
Alright, so just inbox me, General.
Involved, we have to find things.
Yes, General, just inbox me. Alright. I'm a general, so me just say that when they are Spanish now.
They are foreign, you see, they are foreign. Yeah, we here when it
you see him in Spanish town in Central Village. Oh, no have him?
No, they are Spanish town. Said we here, we here saying they are little lane, we here saying they are white man, we're not sure which one.
But we chat, because my chat tell me in their Central Village chat. Because people see my Central Village, I let them say
chat. As me we here saying they are little, we here saying they are little lane, and we here saying they are white, we're not sure. But information is spread. And based off our own water right, that's all. That give we a lot. And we appreciate it.
You know.
Yes, my General. So you listen.
Watch up here.
General, you see that one up on the t-shirt?
Always a watch.
Yes, you see that one up on the live when picture are show?
Him have people hide him. Him have people.
Yes,
him on the phone and pan.
We're not talking, we're not reading the comment. Somebody in the chat said they saw this boy in Central Village. And start reading the comments and start laughing at each other.
Dashi, who is the guy on your front page?
We are
want him. After when the police call him, then we can't
Central Village big. Who's partner Central Village?
We are in Central Village.
And that them won't get to win out the comment section. We are going to find out now because anytime you hold him,
all of them places.
Get to the car talk, so comment section if you read now. Information flow.
And listen, we don't plan to stay on this too long because we are work with the same way.
Yeah, inbox me and inbox Bashi. I ain't telling you, I'm going to make you hold him tonight. All right, then,
Bashi, who's the guy in the box? Update me.
A blood clot, hey.
No, the guy, the white, the brown man, the brown one that you have in your background, Stachi.
I him what? Right, I look for. In my person of interest.
Oh.
We're trying to social mode that Spanish town tonight. Bashi,
Bashi, but I'm saying, why you don't turn in yourself? If you want a part of it, why you don't turn in yourself? And clear
What's your life right now? What's your life right now? My friend them.
And clear your name. If there is not part of it, clear your name. You understand? Clear your name. Why you keep on around?
Who say somebody say you're part of it? Remember me the day I work, you know?
No, Bashi, them attack, man.
No, not Bashi. You understand what me say? You understand me say, Bashi? You're frightened.
Hold on.
You're frightened.
Listen me now.
Sorry,
Listen me. I'm gonna make it rude. Continue.
I say, Uncle Bashi, why him now carrying himself? Where my runner go? If you're not part of it, if you're not set up the team, to where you runner go?
Well, I know.
Who are running down?
Excuse me. Sorry. This no. We need this we are doing now. We have a good there, so we not lose focus for what we are doing now. I'm in a business for well enough what I want to say. You see the youth will lose in life. The youth is an innocent youth. Attack me attack out.
Yeah, I don't know him. I'm telling you, ball. Because we don't have them for that right now. It's very hard.
I mean, if you tell them about
very hard.
I'm sorry,
very hard.
Kill me.
Remember, me tell you,
I was even thinking myself, how can me send? Me, I wonder. Last night I was even thinking, oh, me could have sent it to the daughter and make her come a foreign.
Why me bad? From money, me watching you know. From money, me watching. Me tell you say every time me listen, I get weaker. I get weaker.
I'd blame them, somebody. We had him already, and him a chat fuckery. Had him again, my team. You are going to know. We're going to focus in Central Village, Spanish Town, for 15 minutes, and we'll get some result.
Yes.
That's
Spanish Town. That's Spanish Town. Yes. Anybody in the comments, Spanish Town.
What's up, Wagwan? Welcome, my viewers and subscribers to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now, to all my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, enough thanks, many thanks, enough respect, enough love that come from the heart. Thank you again for all the support, like, share, and subscribe. Now remember, still want some more subscribers because the goal is to reach 5,000 subscribers by 31st of December, bringing in the new year, and if not possible, an early birthday gift to Rodney. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me heart a bleed. Yeah, man, my heart a bleed very bad. And, you know, not just with this death of Naya, but to everything what go on. My viewers and subscribers is, like me don't know what happened to our beautiful, wonderful Jamaica. Barrels are gonna come in. Contract killing. $2,000. $100,000 for unalive people. $3,000. $200,000 for a GUN in Jamaica. All that. So in this video, it's just a video. In this video, it's just a video I put together just for you all to watch and realize, recognize what is really a going on in Jamaica. And most of all, sit down and ask yourself, why? Or, in other words, is what have we done to the criminals? Or what we do to make so much unalive in a Jamaica? You know, sometimes me do some videos and you have some people jump on the videos and I tell me, say me chat too much and me fi go sit down and me fi go look work and me fi go at church and them I say all kind of things. But guess what happened? Me not listen to them. Because me have a job to do. And my job is to make the videos. Put the videos out there. So that you guys who don't have the time to go dig up and to search and to find, get this information. My viewers and subscribers, there's a lot, enough things are going on in Jamaica where many of us, you, he, she, and the old lady have no idea that it are going on out there. And also, my viewers and subscribers, I go play a little clip of a gentleman. Migos talking. Because many people I say get rid of TikTok. But what the people them now say is nobody a blame themselves. Again, everybody always a blame somebody for them downfall, for them problem, for them mistake, for them things where them get themselves in. TikTok is not the problem. TikTok didn't tell you to go do unalive nobody. TikTok didn't tell you to go curse nobody. That's you do it yourself. So until when we as people, not just Jamaican, the world people, can stand up and say, I did it, and stop blaming that person, then we will have a better Jamaica and also a better world. I don't know if many of you know this song. It's a whole song. Nothing wrong with the world. It's just the people that in it. Me can't sing it, but me just go and do a thing. Yeah, nothing wrong with the world. It's just the people them were in the world are the problem to the world, and it's just the people them. So without further delay, I could go in at the thing. I remember, like, share, comment. Let's say a word. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, enjoy the video. Like and thumbs up. Let's say a word. Peace. And I'm out.
TikTok isn't a curse unto Jamaica. Jamaicans are a curse unto themselves. TikTok isn't the devil's playground. Some of us are just devils playing around. TikTok isn't making us act out of character. We are doing that ourselves. To say an app that 1.58 billion people use is making us do something wrong, something bad, is taking the blame away from fully functioning adults with a brain that can tell them right from wrong since they were children. And that's a part of the problem. Zero accountability. We need to address our death and drama loving culture. There is something intrinsically wrong with the Jamaican culture at this moment. Rotten to the core. We have an insatiable appetite for blood and drama, and the consumers love it. We run some serious joke and play with our life just for money. Frog say, what is joke to you is death to me. We laugh when somebody tell another about their mother, knowing that those are fighting words. When we've seen people.
Morning Naya Nation, this is Naila Mother. The person will kill Naya and somebody will eat a Naya yard. Somebody will dead a Naya yard every day.
Yo,
and somebody in a Naya community close to Naya go kill Naya.
Yeah, me I tell you, somebody me that.
Somebody used to Naya yard kill Naya.
Every time I watch video and the boy I cook dog me a cry car. Yo, brother, me don't know.
Dog them down back until when they shot them bus. And the person coming at the yard and the dog them down back. Until they shot them bus. And somebody who know Naya used to Naya yard and Naya family kill Naya.
Oh God.
And them go and that person have to go down. So anybody who send him, that person have to go down.
God, you.
Yeah. That person have to go down. God person will kill Naya, morning Naya mother. The person will kill Naya.
Buckler with strong side Naya. Me put you somewhere for stay and me give you anything I want. Me send money come give you pussy. See me say it, how much money for one going to Jamaica? Much money for what? Me buy you anything I want pussy for kill back him and me kill Naya. Me I go support your pussy. Me I go buy out that warrior. Me I go buy out it. Send me a call, text me on TikTok right now and send me a number. Me go put you somewhere for stay and me go give you any gun you want. Me can get all a whole browning for 200,000. Pussy. Me have 3 grand here, so batty boy. Me count out 3,000 and send it come give you. And buy you anything I want. On the top report me live and go suck on the mother. I go end me live again. Cause now black me, I go talk everything. I figure I thought PM a dirty stinking hungry belly boy them all over when I cook it cause them dirty and hungry. Me go send them money for support him and defend that thing. I swear to God for my mother life youth, me I go do it. Me I go send them money. Me no want no TikTok for support. Me I go send them money. Cause fuck you no do youth, no should kill youth. Pussy. On a pussy. I fuck you no do youth. Me I go end me life cause no now ban me today no. Me now done. Paper, me I go end me live. When you follow me, and me not done. Me I go end me live. Cause all if you no report me live, me I go end here and come back again. When you not done, and me I go build 100 more page. I fuck you no do youth. No should kill the youth. And anything video, I justice one for now. Pussy. When you should kill the youth, I fuck you no do. Me I go end me live. Cause you not ban me today. When you not ban me today, me I go end me live. Me I go end me live and come back. When you not ban me today, me I go end me live and me go come back and me not done.
That true me attack. I true me attack. Me see one woman pay. Me see one woman pay. Me see one woman pay. My brother. Me never see it, but my brother talks about woman pay him 100,000 for came son and my brother kid woman son. Of course he's a M. Eh? My brother, him walk, my second brother, third brother, him walk and analyze much people until him friend him analyze him. Of course he deserve it. Of course he deserve it. He deserve it. I walk and mix up pure things, I walk and do things. That true me at
You should talk keep on the live,
Yeah, you should have text the dog, man.
My friend, you see him like how you're the brawling in a foreign, my friend. A brawling, we do it to my friend, man. Yeah, and a brawling couple of them that go shut out here.
Family, yeah, family, I want to buy if you run.
Chargy, all of them family in a lane run a Pantan lane, Chargy. You all around.
After the 5 next, you run when family more get licked then, no problem.
Oh.
Yeah. So you know what good.
Bad dog, man, me tell us if you link me here.
Alright, my dog, no say 40. Crush brother and bigs that fuck you no do. You know hungry no blood clot. Crush brother and bigs that fuck you no do. Crush brother and bigs that fuck you no do. If you go look at work, you know to blood clot bad man. Crush brother and bigs, you know to bad man. Wanna collect contract and kill on a friend, eh?
Oh, yeah, when I tell us, I bad man, they are Jamaica, man.
This thing now with the dog,
yeah, them two just come up on the live, you know. You know, sister, the man, them just come on the live.
Are them that there?
Oh, boy, them just come on the live, the MOB page and the next one.
And the JR, nigga?
No, man, the next one, boy, that's a good boy. Suck your mother, boy. I want to show your face, batty boy. Flick out your back now, suck up, boy.
Hey, boy,
I show your face right now, they're on fake bomb clap, bro. Show your face, batty boy.
Hey boy, now we are company black.
Show your face, suck up, boy. Suck up, boy. Show your face, hey, boy.
Yo, start it with.
Mama say I'm done a fuck you now.
Chatting about you, boy. Show where you drop where you there and show your face right now. Suck good, boy.
I care for them.
Two boy, them will come up on the live, man, and them said one that, man.
A crush brother and bigs that there. It sound like a crush brother and bigs.
Yeah, me tell you, say the MOB page and the boy, man, the little crush bread umbre, man.
The dog know them.
Remember, you know, him the power wanted.
So all in time they have me number and today I choose to short me and say we are ready.
Because me sit down your son and me say me want you for dead, brother. And me no want for murder your killer. And me want get this out of my mess, bro. Me support them not like the facts in me there, so me and me say me a pre for kill you, dog. Me a pre for kill you, dog. Me a pre for kill you. Me want leg off fight in a killer.
But Tavi, oh you a pre for kill me, you can't kill.
Bro, you wanna it, brother, we're not gonna reach a level in a killer. Cause a quick two just hustle up what about $2 million and you're dead in a world like. But we not go there, so dog. And that's why I call you. That's why I call you. That's why I call you, bro. For you know who go and charge you.
$2 million Jamaicans. Eh?
Charge you me a sinner, bro. You me a sinner, dog. You me a sinner, bro. I really don't want to sit down. I don't want to. You see when me a bumbo club, I don't want to sit down and pre them things. That's why I'm call you, know, bro. So what y'all do? Y'all go sit down here so I make me continue mess them things, dog.
And you're going to make that mad yourself, you know, where I'm ever so successful living my life, you know.
What you mean, me Zana mad my fucking self when you have your people them over this look down upon me charge you?
Tavi, if you want nothing there, you couldn't talk to me name like that at Jamaica. I pay man long time. Easy yourself, my bro. Bill the man.
Dog, I want to tell you, brother, I want to tell you, brother, dog. Dog, hear me and son of brother. Hear me and son of brother. Do you have a blood clot, do they not charge you? Because me there start chat here, you know, bro. I show you levels, you know, bro. Before your blood clot help me, dog. You there start chat about you got a simple thing for dust me killer. Eh? Before your blood clot help me charge you. Me there start chat here, you know, brother, for know why, you know, bro.
You know, say you're wild.
Wild with what?
$2 million. Wap and brush me. I know me. I told my brother, are you there? Tell me, say.
And a wild thing, bro. Bro, it's no, but look on the, but you wanna look on the levels where you bring it. Look where you bring it, bro. You me and son, brother. You bring it to a levels where you talk about. You can't do me no. You can't kill me. You can't kill. We not go there, so bro.
So you tell me say you want to kill me? So me have to tell you so want me still go.
Brother, I tell you where me there, so feel killer. Me want hurt. That me shit. That's why me I call you for confront you the realest way. So me no can feel better, bro. I'ma ask you something. You know want me to do better mentally, bro?
You're richer than me.
So why you know? If I that are the case, if I that are the pussy with what?
He's a pussy.
Pussy with what?
I mean, I tell you this. Every day you get up on people name, you have to better yourself. Try better yourself and be
so every time I try for better my fucking self, brother. Every time I try for better my fucking self, you and your supporters them over there, so I bring me down, killer.
No, me not. You know, say when you call my name, me just say, you know, say Tavi.
Brother, whether if me call your fucking name or not, whether if me call your fucking name or not, brother. Before you fucking help me, brother. No, before you fucking help me, brother. And go up on your fucking line them and tell your people and follow me. You not do it, dog. You make everybody else fuck with me, bro. I fuck with me mentally, bro. That's why I want to fucking hurt you, bro.
So hold on then. So all in time they have me number and today I choose to short me and say we are ready.
Because on fire at Culloden at 12:21 a.m. the Savannah Lamar fire station received a call of house on fire at Culloden White House, Westmoreland. Additional information was that 2 children were trapped inside the burning house. The brigade responded with 2 units, number 5-22, a pumper, and number 12-7, an ambulance. On arrival at the given location, during scene size up, the ruins of a house was seen by the crew surrounded by fire. Also, information gathered was that 2 8-year-old males were inside the house while it was on fire. Cooling down and salvaging operations commenced. At approximately 1:10 a.m., the crew discovered human remains on a burnt-out bed. The operation continued. At approximately 1:25 a.m., another human remain was discovered. At this time, it was acknowledged that these were the bodies of the 2 male children that were trapped in the house on fire. The area was cordoned off for further investigation, and after cooling down operation adjourned, the scene was handed over to members of the JCF White House.
Gun seizure in a wharf in Kingston. 5 barrels laden with firearms. Firearms and also firearms accessories and parts. 5 barrels. So this morning on the Spot News Media understands that over 33 have been seized so far. Note, so far. And over 700 assorted rounds of ammunition in an ongoing operation at a wharf in Kingston. So the update was given by our sources. The weapons and ammunition were intercepted in a shipment of barrels, as I stated earlier, at a wharf in Kingston. So as I stated, we're going to get much more information because it's an ongoing operation, and of course, persons on the operation is most definitely tight-lipped at the moment, but we will most definitely be updating you as we get more information surrounding this big find in a wharf in Kingston. Remember, my peeps, just earlier this year in February, if memory serves me correct, where the police surrounding this big find in a wharf in Kingston. Remember, my peeps, just earlier this year in February, if memory serves me correct, where the police seized over 64. These are some of the weapons presently on your screen. 64 weapons and over 900 rounds of ammunition was seized at the Kingston Wharf. The thing serious. We have also seen many other such seizures